Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're taking a look at the Dreame X40 Pro Ultra, a revolutionary vacuum cleaner designed to tackle even the toughest cleaning challenges in your home. Let's dive into what makes this vacuum so special. First up, the Dreame X40 Pro Ultra features side reach technology. This means a liftable, extendable side brush can easily reach those tricky wall corners and furniture legs, ensuring no dirt is left behind. It also comes with a removable and liftable mop, perfect for keeping carpets dry. The mop can auto-lift up to 10.5 millimeter, or you can set zones to avoid rugs entirely, reducing the risk of it getting stuck. With 12,000 Pascal of forceful sweeping power, this vacuum eliminates hair, dirt, and debris effortlessly. An optimized air duct design ensures efficient airflow, keeping the passageways unobstructed for a smooth cleaning session. Thanks to Omni-Dirt detection and Mop Extend Robo-Swing technologies, the Dreame X40 Pro Ultra smartly detects tough messes and scrubs them deep under low furniture and in corners. One of its best features is the auto maintenance system. It simultaneously cleans both the mop and washboard with 158-degree Fahrenheit hot water, reducing stains and foul odors. Plus, you can adjust the cleanup with 4 temperature levels in the app. The Dreame X40 Pro Ultra precisely learns your home with its 3D structured light, built-in camera, and LED light. This means it smartly maneuvers around your home, avoiding obstacles and ensuring thorough cleaning. And with a formidable 6,400 milliampere battery, the X40 Ultra offers non-stop cleaning performance. When the battery runs low, it automatically returns to its charging dock and resumes cleaning once charged. You can even optimize charging during off-peak hours to save on energy costs. In summary, the Dreame X40 Pro Ultra is not just a vacuum cleaner, it's a complete home cleaning solution. With powerful suction, advanced navigation, and smart features, it handles all your cleaning needs with ease. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient vacuum cleaner, definitely check out the Dreame X40 Pro Ultra. If you want to see more information on the updated price of the products, make sure to check the product link down below in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.